Welcome to FoodieMommaPH.
I'm Ki.
I'm Kayla.
And today we are at Yuu Xiang Dam with Miss Kueh. And we're gonna eat a lot of dessert. Let's go!
Yes.
Let's go!
I'm from Yuu Xiang Dam. Because we love dessert, we decided to open a dessert shop while eating healthy, and our dessert right is not so sweet. We're selling a hot and cold dessert, many different flavors for the pancake and the Muak Muak Ice also. For our feature of the dessert right is totally handmade by our own. For the Muak Muak Ice, the feature is can last about 45 minutes to 1 hour without melting. So if let's say customer want to take away also can. No need to worry about the ice will be melting. For the pancake right, for the flour also made by our own. So the flour right have 9 ingredients inside. We're using traditional, fusion, modernized flavors. Our pancake is made for all races. It's for everyone. All our dessert does not contain preservatives.
So we're here at
Yuu Xiang Dam.
You got it right. So we're gonna have sweet savory on this bread.
What I really like about this shop that I want to introduce is that, you know, it's all very traditional Chinese desserts. Do you take it like very frequently?
I had it in Maxwell.
Maxwell?
The apple link,
Yeah.
you know, those stuff.
Correct, but
Yeah.
what is really special about them is that they handmade everything on their own. You gotta try it and you know the difference.
And that's very labor intensive.
Very. That's why, you know, I really salute to this brand. They are willing to make everything from scratch. I once interviewed them and asked them, you know, like, why don't you just buy like off the shelf? It's so much easier. But to them, they want to create something that is very traditional and original for people to have.
This is quality, guys.
So what's special about this? This is actually their sesame with almond. They call it Yuen Yang because apparently Yuen Yang means like a combination of both. Even the glutinous balls that they have here is made from roasted sesame and almond.
I've never tried this.
Yeah.
Because it's so hot.
I love that it's not too sweet.
So the white one is almond, the black one is sesame.
I don't know if it's a proper term, but it's actually very light and refreshing for a dessert, which is good.
Yeah, and you know, for people who don't really like take cold dessert, they can go for this as well.
Wow.
You like it? Yum yum?
It looks like mango.
The next one will be their Yam Paste. So
my
we
first
call
time.
it Orni. One thing I find very special about theirs, they added not just ginkgo, but they have pumpkin as well. And they added sweet corn. So I think the whole overall taste is just very refreshing. And it just makes the whole thing with a little natural sweetness in it.
It's like ube.
What's ube?
In Filipino, we call it ube.
Oh, okay. What I really like about this is there's a natural sweetness in it. And then, you know, you don't have to use like artificial ingredients at all.
I like it. It gives you warmth.
It's irresistible. When you start it, somehow you cannot stop.
How about you? Did you try it?
Alright.
It's like ube. Okay, she wants the...
Alright, let's go for it then. This is one of the key highlights that I always eat here is their glutinous rice ball. Somehow it's just very soft, but it has this springy, chewy texture as well. It's just different. I do not know how to describe, but once you have it, you can just like get addicted to it.
So let's break it
Sesame.
up. How would you know?
I can tell.
I don't even know.
I may be wrong. Am I wrong? Wow, it oozes out.
Love the sesame inside.
You like it?
I love how it's like peanut butter tasting and it's not too sweet.
They actually make the soup on their own. It's actually ginger soup.
This is a dangerous dessert.
It's not too sweet. Okay, I'm gonna have one. I see you having it. Cheers.
I love the texture. It's mochi, like chewy, enjoyable, and addictive. Yum yum yum. She's ready for the pancake.
savory pancake.
I think that's unique about this shop is you can get both dessert and savory pancakes as well. Which one do you want to try first, Kayla? The ham and cheese or the chicken?
She goes for the fries. This is called the ram-on pancake, made of like chicken and black pepper. They created the patty on their own, and then they actually added egg as well as cheese in it.
Lettuce.
Right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It reminds me of my younger days. Buying from the freshly made pancake from the streets, you can just pick whatever toppings that you want. But this was a filling grub.
And you can just pair it with some fries. Sorry guys, it's so good. I can't give it to you all.
No words, just pure comfort food. I love how soft the batter is inside, and then the outer layer, it's crispy fried.
But do you know that's my favorite part? I love the sides. It's always very crispy.
Onto the other pancake, which is the ham and cheese. You see the cross section there, been stuffed with lettuce, ham, cheese, and look how moist that is. The cheese is oozing. Let's put some chili, ham, and cheers.
So good. This is like my other favorite.
I think it's a very classic option in every restaurant that you go to for everyone. I think ham and cheese is for everyone. Kids at heart, just so good.
You should try the drink. We call it tao jiao. It contains some aspects of like beauty content and so on. There's like longan inside as well. Wolfberry is inside as well. Try it. Every lady wants to be beautiful.
There's a lot of textures in there. It's very refreshing, not too sweet again.
You'll love it.
Going for seconds. It's not too sweet, right? What's that? That's how you know it's good. I think that it's a good palate cleanser.
So every time, you know, when I have something that's very heavy, then you just have this and you can like go on and on.
And I think Kayla's ready for some more dessert.
You ready for your special?
My special strawberry dessert.
Let's get it.
We have the sesame as well as almond shaved ice. They have a special name for it. It's called Muak Muak Ice. Like
Muak Muak Ice.
the good thing is that it's very thick. If you don't stir it it won't melt for now. I have a way of eating it. I'll scoop it from the side. There's a mixture of the almond as well as the sesame. Then they actually added some roasted peanuts on top. I see red bean as well.
Cheers. It's very cold though. The texture is so different.
It's so fine.
Right? It looks like coconut almost. Look at that. Let me try the red bean with the sesame. This is quite addictive.
Yummy mungo.
Yummy.
There's a taro ball, almond ball, and sesame ball. I'll go with the taro.
Alright, I'll go with the sesame.
Cheers. I love the texture. Chewy, bouncy.
They don't add like artificial coloring and no essence was added.
This portion is for what, 3 to 4 people? You can share with your family and friends.
Lovers can come here for a sweet day.
Sweet day, yeah.
My turn to eat dessert.
Okay, what flavors do we have here, Kayla?
Mango, strawberry, mango. That's good. I'll try this one.
Okay,
Yummy mango.
that's all for you. Can you finish everything?
I cannot.
Next is the
She went for the fresh fruit straight.
yum. Wow. Good. Which one's your favorite so far? Wow, you like that? Oh, everything. Okay. Mango is her favorite. Wow. Let's go. Put the ice cream and then get the ice. Look at this. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
I feel like the texture is like different from the usual one.
So different. I've never had shaved ice like this.
For you! Matcha ice blended.
Did they just figure out my favorite flavor? Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy?
I really don't melt like so easily.
Wow. Oh, I like this. It's not sweet. Like when you go to Starbucks and buy frappuccinos, right?
Yeah.
It's so sweet.
It's very sweet, right?
But this one is very refreshing.
All the matcha lovers try this.
We'll finish the dessert, then we'll see you later. Cake time.
Wow. Dessert overload for you today. Ooh.
They make the cakes on their own.
Wow, even the cakes?
Yes.
How much time do they have in their hands?
I do know that they start early, just for the preparations.
Okay, let me try the cheesecake. It's very smooth, cheesy, slightly sweet, and addictive.
Even the base, do you realize? The base is usually made from biscuit. For this, right, their base is blended very nicely. That's the thing about it, you know, when you create your own menu, your own products, you can play around with it.
Show your teeth. Yeah, your teeth.
Oh, Mommy, I'm so full.
Me too.
What do you like?
What did I like? I love the savory pancakes, the handmade traditional desserts, the shaved ice. How about you?
I like the strawberry, then the mango, the fries, and
So many. You ate so many sweets already, you cannot think of it.
that's it for the video. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next video in Singapore.